ko, this is me, Auntie Nyo. Eka, ikararap, ikatawa, I can do it! Welcome to Lilico Artist Village. Kung gusto nyo ng
Still gives you vibes.
na may halong art, nature, and good food, eto talaga ang place na dapat nyong puntahan. Ang pinakamagandang part, walang entrance fee. Yes, libre lang pumasok. Lakad-lakad ka lang habang ini-enjoy ang bawat sulok. Perfect siya kung gusto mo lang mag-relax, mag-picture, o magpanggap na ikaw ang main character. Every corner dito parang may sariling personality, puno ng recycled art, colorful installation, at mga hidden spots na sobrang photogenic. May mga souvenir shops din dito kung gusto nyo mag-uwi ng remembrance from Baguio! So if you're planning to visit Baguio, Lilico Artist Village is definitely worth adding to your itinerary. Libre ang entrance, artistic ang vibes, maraming photo spots, may food at souvenir spa.